Make a great choice today with
the 2024 Trailblazer. The Chevrolet Trailblazer is a stylish crossover with plenty of upside on the inside as well. Safety, comfort, features, and style are all found in abundance with the Trailblazer. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, dual pane panoramic power sunroof, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.